10 superfoods to help improve blood circulation. Before going into the video, discover the forgotten power of plants, the Home Remedies Handbook. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in the lost book of herbal remedies. It includes recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that all of our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 high-definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So make sure to check the first link in our description to get the book. Now let's get into today's video. How to improve circulation. There are many different ways of improving blood circulation, including adding to your diet those foods that are renowned for their circulation-boosting properties, such as the 10 superfoods listed here. And there are lots of other things you can do to improve your circulation: simple daily exercise, from heel-toe races you can do at home, to getting out for a walk or a swim, giving up smoking, keeping warm in winter, and avoiding wearing restrictive clothing. It can be a struggle to incorporate exercise into your daily routine, especially when the weather is bad. The Remedies Circulation Booster has been developed to improve circulation, helping to activate the muscles in your feet and lower legs, to increase blood circulation, and it can be used from the comfort of your home, while you are sitting reading or watching TV. Remedies is a Class II medical device that uses electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, to stimulate the nerve endings in the feet and is clinically tested and shown to increase circulation in the lower legs and feet. 1. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits high vitamin C are natural blood thinners and are said to strengthen capillary walls and prevent plaque buildup, which leads to poor circulation. 2. Dark chocolate. Cocoa contains flavonoids which are naturally found in plants and fruits and have been well linked to improving blood circulation. A study published in the Circulation Journal showed that dark chocolate rich in natural flavonoids improved blood circulation when compared with white chocolate with no flavonoids. 3. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne is available as a fresh pepper or dried spice and has been associated with increasing metabolic rate and strengthening arteries and blood vessels. Cayenne pepper is best eaten raw in salads or juiced. 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, which is shown to help keep blood clots from forming. They are great at helping improve circulation. Likewise, so are foods such as olives, nuts, and pumpkin seeds. 5. Root ginger. Ginger is known for helping with nausea and digestion problems as well as increasing blood circulation. Ginger can be eaten raw or added to foods, or why not try ginger tea. 6. Garlic. Garlic has many uses, and one of them is it cleanses the blood and helps prevent plaque buildup. Other foods in the bulb group such as radishes, onions, and leeks are also good at stimulating blood flow. 7. Ginkgo biloba. One of the world's oldest surviving tree species, Ginkgo biloba dilates blood vessels and in doing so increases blood flow. It is also thought to increase blood flow to the brain. 8. Goji berries. Goji berries can be found in natural health stores and look similar to raisins. They are high in fiber to help boost the immune system as well as increase blood circulation. 9. Watermelon. Watermelons are rich in lycopene, which is a natural antioxidant linked to improving circulation. Lycopene is a natural pigment that gives certain foods their reddish color. Tomatoes, pink grapefruit, and apricots also contain lycopene. 10. Salmon and avocados. Both salmon and avocados contain heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which research has shown to support the cardiovascular system and increase blood circulation. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.